When building or renovating a home in Layton, Utah, selecting the right doors is an essential part of creating a welcoming, functional, and secure living space. Whether you're designing a new home or upgrading an existing one, understanding the types of residential doors commonly installed in Layton homes can help you make an informed choice. The doors you choose play a significant role in your home's curb appeal, energy efficiency, and overall security. Here's a guide to the most common types of residential doors you'll find in Layton homes. Entry doors. Your front door is the focal point of your home's exterior, making it an important feature for both curb appeal and security. In Layton, where temperatures can swing dramatically between summer and winter, entry doors are designed to provide insulation while enhancing the aesthetic appeal of the home. Wooden entry doors. Classic and elegant, wooden entry doors offer a traditional look that complements a wide range of architectural styles. These doors can be crafted from various types of wood, such as oak, mahogany, or maple, and they are available in solid or panel designs. They are often chosen for their beauty but require regular maintenance to prevent weathering from the elements. Fiberglass entry doors. These doors are becoming increasingly popular in Layton because they offer the look of wood without the high maintenance. Fiberglass entry doors are highly durable, energy efficient, and resistant to dents and scratches. They come in a variety of finishes, and some even mimic the texture of real wood. Steel entry doors. Known for their strength and security, steel doors are a practical choice for homeowners who prioritize safety. Steel entry doors are extremely durable, low maintenance, and energy efficient. Though they don't have the same aesthetic appeal as wood or fiberglass, they can be painted to match your home's exterior. Patio doors. Patio doors provide access to your outdoor living space, whether it's a backyard, deck, or patio. These doors are designed to allow natural light to flood into your home and offer a seamless transition between the indoor and outdoor areas. Sliding glass doors. A popular choice for homes in Layton, sliding glass doors are an excellent option for homeowners with limited space. They consist of two panels, one fixed and one that slides open and closed, and are typically made of glass with a metal or vinyl frame. Sliding doors offer great views and natural light but require regular cleaning to keep the glass sparkling. French doors. For a more traditional and elegant look, French doors are a stylish choice for accessing patios or balconies. They are hinged and open outward, creating a wider opening than sliding doors. French doors are available in wood or fiberglass, with glass panes that allow light to pour into the home. They provide a touch of sophistication and can be a great choice for homeowners who want both beauty and functionality. Interior doors. While exterior doors are the focal point of your home's facade, interior doors are just as important for creating functional living spaces. Interior doors come in a wide variety of materials and styles, depending on the room's purpose and your aesthetic preferences. Hollow core doors. These are among the most common interior doors in Layton homes. Made with a thin veneer of wood and a hollow core, these doors are affordable, lightweight, and easy to install. While they don't offer as much soundproofing as solid core doors, They are ideal for bedrooms, bathrooms, and other areas where privacy isn't a top priority. Solid core doors. These doors are made from solid wood or composite materials, providing better sound insulation and a more substantial feel than hollow core doors. Solid core doors are often used in areas where soundproofing is important, such as in home offices or media rooms. Bifold doors. Bifold doors are a space-saving solution commonly used in closets, laundry rooms, and smaller bedrooms. These doors fold in half and slide to the side, making them perfect for tight spaces where a traditional swinging door might be impractical. Garage doors. While not traditionally thought of as part of the home's residential doors, garage doors play a key role in the overall functionality and appearance of a Layton home. A garage door is an essential part of your home's curb appeal and security. Options range from traditional steel doors to more decorative wooden or carriage-style doors, which provide a vintage aesthetic. Storm doors. With Layton's variable weather, storm doors are a smart addition to protect your home's entry door from harsh conditions. These doors are typically installed in front of the main entry door and offer an additional layer of insulation and protection from the elements. Storm doors also provide extra ventilation in the summer months, allowing homeowners to open their entry door while keeping bugs and debris out. Conclusion. Choosing the right residential door for your Layton home can make a significant difference in terms of both function and style. Whether you're upgrading your entry door, adding a patio door, or selecting interior doors that suit your home's needs, understanding the various options available can help you make the best choice. Be sure to consider factors like durability, energy efficiency, and aesthetic appeal when making your decision. With the right doors, your home can be more secure, more energy efficient, and more beautiful.